This is the new OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. My name is Sam from Versus.com, and today we'd like to talk to you about the upcoming new phones from OnePlus, the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. We collected everything that has leaked so far to let you know what is to be expected from this new lineup of phones. If you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's start straight away with our review. Let the facts speak. There's nothing confirmed yet, but as ours, there are already dozens of leaks out there, and we are trying to sum up the most important and, in our opinion, the most accurate sounding ones. Since we did not expect that the OnePlus 8 Pro would have been such a good phone, we are excited for the new lineup to come out. First of all, rumors say that as Samsung did, OnePlus could move their release date from mid-April to mid-March. So far we heard that there could be two models in this lineup, OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. There are also rumors about a third version, but these are too vague to really name it here. But as these two devices get spec-wise really close to each other, it is to be expected that OnePlus will also release a more affordable Lite version. So let's talk about the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. Both are supposed to be equipped with the newest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chip and will have 8 and 12 GB RAM versions with 512 GB storage capacity. In terms of display, the 9 will have a 6.55 Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It might get a Full HD Plus or a Quad HD Plus resolution. The 9 Pro on the other hand will get a 6.8-inch display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. Both will have, as same as previous models, the hole punch notch front camera and also the built into the screen fingerprint scanner. The OnePlus 9 will come with a quad camera system, which include two 48-megapixel cameras and an 8 and 5 megapixel camera. The OnePlus 9 Pro will also come with a quad camera system, with two 64-megapixel cameras and also an 8 and 5 megapixel camera. There have been rumors that OnePlus was teaming up with Leica for their new camera system, but as other sources say, this has been revoked. The battery size will increase compared to the previous models. Whereas the 8 had 4310 mAh, the OnePlus 9 will have 4500. And the battery inside the 9 Pro with 4800 mAh will also be bigger as its older sibling, the 8 Pro, with 4510 mAh. If reports are correct, the 9 and 9 Pro will support 65-watt fast warp charging and 45-watt wireless charging. And also photo leaks of the screen suggest that they will be also capable of reverse charging. That will be way slower, but we think that it is a useful feature to be included in a phone. As leaked pictures show, the design of the new lineup will be similar to the one of the OnePlus 8T. If correct, the display is going to be a flat one, which I personally like more, but I guess that is a topic of personal preferences. The camera system will be moved from the upper center of the back of the phone to the upper left corner, like OnePlus already did in their 8T model and in the Nord series. As I already mentioned, these are just rumors. There's nothing really confirmed yet, and as soon it will be announced and released and we get a hand on the device, we will definitely do a comparison. Till then, let us know what you think about these new OnePlus devices. Will they be as good as the OnePlus 8 Pro? And which of the phone would you rather get, the OnePlus 9 or the OnePlus 9 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And if you'd like to compare the newest smartphones and or other things, feel free to follow the link to our website. You can compare up to 7 different smartphones at Versus.com. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you soon.